Hey everybody, Nate here with Karcher, the cleaning experts. Today I want to introduce you to a brand new machine. This is the Karcher Mojave series hot water high pressure washer. Now for decades we've been selling German engineered quality hot water pressure washers in North America. The only drawback we heard from a lot of customers was the plastic chassis. So what we've done is we've taken the German technology and married it with an American heavy duty powder coated steel frame. So going beyond the improvements to the frame, we've also done a few other things. Now, every machine except for the 2 horsepower model will come with a low-speed, water-cooled motor that has greater tolerance to different voltages. Before, the older models, if there was a voltage irregularity or a voltage swing that was higher or lower than the 230 volt that the machine required, sometimes the machine wouldn't like that. The newer versions will have a greater tolerance to these different voltages. We've also added flat-free rubber tires, so the plastic wheels that were on the machines before, the big improvement with rubber flat-free tires for mobility. We've also increased the size of the diesel tank. It's now a 10-gallon tank for all-day runtime for those customers that want to use this machine all day without having to refill. We've also added a crane hook right inside standard for anybody that wants to crane this machine up into the back of a pickup or on a job site. If they need to move it with a crane, they could easily do it crane hook standard. We've also added 2 water filters, so now there's 2 water filters, so we make sure we feed this machine good clean water at all times. So in January when this machine hits the market, you'll see that there's 2 options available. There's the standard version and then there is the premium version. You'll be able to tell the difference visually by the side panel. The premium version will have the stainless steel side panel. The standard version will have black powder coated steel. So what comes standard on the standard model? Well, for one, RM110 scale inhibitor that we've always had, obviously standard on this machine. It will have upstream high pressure soap with detergent dial right here, be on all models except the small 2 horsepower. You'll also have your pressure adjustment knob right there if you want to dial back the pressure, easy to do right at the unloader. And it'll come standard with all the Easy Force accessories, Easy Force gun, Easy Force wand. When you move up to the premium model, we're just going to add a couple more features. Number 1, we're going to add the servo control. So if you want to dial back flow and pressure right there at the wand, you can do that with the servo control. We've also added steam capability to the premium model. So you will have steam stage right here as well. If you order the premium, it'll come with the steam nozzle as well as the high pressure nozzle. And the last thing we've added to the premium model will be the accessory storage right here in the back. If you want to keep your owner's manual, extra nozzles, turbo nozzle, whatever, that will be on the premium model as well. So what about options? Well, for this machine, since it comes feature rich, fully packed with all the standard features that German machines normally do, the only real option is the hose reel. The pivoting hose reel will easily mount right here. The pocket is already welded into the frame, so you order your hose reel. It'll come with the bracket, a jumper hose. You simply slide your bracket into the mounting position right here. Your hose reel's ready to go. So let's do a walk around of the machine. Up at the front, you'll see the operator panel with the easy dial. So very easy to use, off position, cold water, we have eco mode, and anywhere in between. If we want to go up to steam on the premium models, it'll show 311 degrees. We also have our status or indicator lights right up here. If the machine needs service or the RM110 is low or the diesel fuel tank needs to be filled up, it will indicate that on this panel. We also added an hour meter, which is new to this machine, so easier for the operator or the owner of this machine to know when we should have an oil change or get it in for service. Just take a look at the hour meter, see how many hours are on it, and we can line up that service. Moving over to this side of the machine, you can see we have our RM110 tank, which is standard on all models except the very small 2 horsepower. We also have our chemical soap line right here that you'll simply pull out and drop into your detergent bucket, and we have our dosing valve for upstream high pressure soap available on all models, again except the small 2 horsepower. Right here we have our pressure adjustment or steam valve if you have the premium model, again standard on all machines except the real small 2 horsepower unit. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video on the brand new Karcher Mojave series. Until next time, keep it clean.